Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to create dual apps on your Android phone and how to use multiple accounts of the same apps simultaneously. By using dual apps on your phone, you can keep your personal account and work account online at the same time, and you can balance between your work and life easily. So in this video I'm going to show you two kinds of easiest way for creating dual apps or multiple accounts. So if you really want to learn how to do it, that time this video is only for you, and please watch till the end. So before starting this process, I will ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like that video. So let's start. So the first way will be without helping of the third-party apps. So let's go to your phone settings option. So there you can see this is my phone settings, and scroll down and there you can see apps option. So just click on it, and you can also see the dual apps. So just click on it. So there you can see I have already created dual apps about Facebook, Imo, Instagram, KineMaster, MX Player and lots of apps. So if you want to create dual apps, that time just click on the right button here, and it will add it a home screen. It will add it one kind of shortcut onto the home screen. So if you want to create dual apps about Firefox, just click on it and it will already been created. So after creating this kinds of dual apps, let's check. So there you can see I have already created Firefox dual apps and A to Z screen recorder and Earth and contacts. So this is the first process, but if it doesn't work on your phone, that time I'm going to show you the second process, and I hope it will work on every Android phone. So the second way will be you will have to install one kind of apps from the Play Store. So let's go to the Play Store and search here dual space. Just right here dual space, and there you can see dual space in the first position, multiple accounts. You can use the dual space, either you can use another apps which is parallel space. There you can see parallel space. So I have installed these two kinds of apps on my phone. So let me show you how actually it's work. So after installing these apps on your phone, just go to the apps drawer, and there you can see dual space and parallel space. You can use any one of them. So let me show you first the dual space. So just click on the dual space, and maybe it will ask for some permission. So give that permission, and there you can see one kind of plus icon. So just click on the plus icon, and your all kinds of apps available here. So if you want to create the dual apps about Chrome, just click on the Chrome, MX Player and router setup page, Imo, photos, just click on it, and after that just click on the clone icon and wait for a few seconds. And there you can see I have created the Chrome already, and there are another bar available. Just click on the Imo and click on the clone, and there you can see Imo already created. So this is the dual space, and you can use also parallel space. So just click on the parallel space, and it will also ask for some permission. So give that permission, and after that there you can see add app option. So just click on it, and in the right here there you can see clone apps. So and incognito installation, just select the clone apps and select your any one of apps. So let me select the Truecaller and 3D parallax background, and after that click on the add to parallel space and wait for a few seconds. And there you can see I have created the parallel space, Truecaller and 3D parallel background. So by this process you can create dual apps on your Android phone, and you can use multiple accounts of the same app. So Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks, do comment, give like and do subscribe.